Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Monday, May 6th of 2019. A lot of things happening at Perry Elementary this week. So first and foremost, it's Teacher Appreciation this week. So students, make sure that you're being kind and nice to your teachers this week. Make sure that you're following the pause attitudes. So making sure that you're being a polite student and being a great member of the community. So for Teacher Appreciation, just make sure you tell them thank you for all that they did for this year to help you learn and to grow as a student. Also this week is Perry Unplugged Week. So we do have some activities that are happening. The big event that's happening this week for Perry Unplugged Week is our very first art show. So we'll be having an art show this Thursday coming up, and we'll have Paint on Perry also. So I know that Mrs. Cassio has been talking about that in her art classes the last couple of weeks. So, and teachers and staff, if you signed up to volunteer for that, then please make sure that you come at your appropriate time that you signed up for. Other things to make announcements for today. Our extra recess starts today. So if you did not have any office referrals or minor lunch detentions last week, then you'll be able to participate in extra recess this week. Teachers, you have information that was emailed to you and also in your mailboxes of who could not participate for this week. Also, this is our last early dismissal day, so that will be happening on Wednesday this week, and of course our dismissal time is at 1:05. So students, please make sure that you're telling your parents about that now. For our May birthdays to announce, so we have Ari Lopez, Josiah Moore, Pierce Nemec. Those ones for right now. We do have a couple of them coming up tomorrow. So happy birthday. Those were our weekend birthdays. And for our lunch choices for today, we have corn dog, popcorn nuggets with cookie, or crispy chicken salad. Boys and girls, you also wanted to know what the answer for the riddle was last Friday. So how many seconds are in a year? The answer is 12. Because it is the second day of each month. So the 2nd of January, 2nd of February, 2nd of May. So there are 12 months in the year. So that is why there's 12 seconds in a year. So we did have a couple students get special prizes for that. Also, I wanted to announce that Joel Olson, who is a 4th grader in Perry Elementary, wanted to start up a sign up to help clean up the school grounds. So I told him that I would hold on to that list and keep it in my office. So if students want to assist during like lunchtime or before or after school to clean up the school grounds, then come see me and you can sign up on the list to help out with that with Joel. So thank you, Joel, for doing a very positive thing for our school, trying to keep our school clean. And for our pause today, I have up here our pause behavior matrix because I figured it would be a great day for teachers to kind of review this, especially with extra recess and towards the end of the year. So this might be something really good for teachers to look at for their classes this week, or at least for today, so that they know what their expectations are in all areas. Boys and girls, the areas that I kind of see as a concern right now is definitely the hallway areas and playground. So let's make sure that we're looking at the expectation in those two areas the most. Some people cannot maintain very good personal space. That is usually about like 1 arm length away from you that you should be keeping your distance. Also on the playground, we have a lot of pushing and shoving of people. So please make sure that you keep appropriate distance and keep your hands off people. So if that could be shared, teachers, with your students, that would be great. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys, and everyone have a great day. It's the first day of the week. Very exciting times as we get towards the end of the school year. So, like I said, we have Perry Unplugged this week with our big event being our Paint on Perry and our art fair that is happening on Thursday. So also make sure you tell your teachers thank you for all the great work that they're doing with you. Have a wonderful day.